This is the weekly briefing covering the period of today, Monday, August 4th, through this Sunday, August 10th. Taking a look at the overall weather pattern expected for the week, surface high pressure will continue to ridge southwestward across the area through the week and into the weekend, with some increasing chances for precipitation as we go from Tuesday through Sunday. Today should be the last mostly dry day, but the below normal to near normal temperatures should prevail through the weekend. We do have an area of low pressure off the southeast US coast, and we'll get to that slide a little bit later on in the briefing, but that may increase precipitation chances late week and into the weekend. Taking a quick look at the expected rainfall totals for the week, you can see that today is largely dry. The rainfall totals or amounts that you see there in the western Piedmont, that will be some light rain possible tonight as we get some warmer air overrunning that cool high pressure at the surface. And then as we go through the week, those precip totals kind of continue each day, generally a tenth of an inch to maybe a quarter of an inch in some places each day, with the more diurnal, so afternoon, evening showers and thunderstorms expected. Taking a quick look at the excessive rainfall outlook, looks like we do start to see that trend of increasing precipitation showing up in the excessive rainfall outlook, with Wednesday, and even though it's not showed here, Thursday as well, in a marginal risk of excessive rainfall. And that's mainly isolated flash flooding possible, primarily in urban areas. Looking at the severe weather outlook, really not outlooked in any risk categories for the week, but we do have some general thunder outlooked on Wednesday with the potential showers and storms. Otherwise, you can't rule out an isolated strong storm really anywhere across the area from Wednesday onward. And this is that slide I was mentioning earlier. This is our tropical weather outlook for the next 7 days. You can see a tropical storm Dexter shown on the map there. That should generally keep moving northeastward away from the east coast of the United States through middle of the week, passing north of Bermuda, and not really much of a threat at all for central North Carolina. That yellow hatched area is the area I was mentioning before, has a 30% chance of development in the next 7 days, generally moving west to northwestward into the weekend, potentially moving inland and just really creating more of a rainfall hazard than anything else. And then of note here is that orange area. Some of the forecast models are showing a hurricane developing with that particular wave. It is still very far out, but the Hurricane Center is keeping an eye on it, and we will be as well for potential development and where it goes and when, potentially impacting the east coast of the United States next weekend. But there's a lot that could change, and it's only really showing up in a couple of models that I've seen so far. The next 8 to 14 days looks like we're trending back towards above normal for both temperatures and precipitation. So we'll see that I think near normal temperatures on Sunday and maybe Monday next week. So we'll enjoy the below normal temperatures while we have them. And with the graphical hazard outlook, as you'd expect, really the only threat in the next 7 days is potentially some excessive rainfall, and maybe some lightning with those thunderstorms that are possible. And just to summarize, we do have that surface high pressure that continues ridging across the area through the period, with near to below normal temperatures for much of that time. We will see one last dry, mostly dry day today, and then increasing, chances for showers and storms as we go through the week and into the weekend, with right now Wednesday, Thursday looking to be the potential for excessive rainfall. And then we'll keep an eye on that, both that coastal low pressure system and then the one out over the Atlantic as well through the next 7 days.